Have we forgotten him? You can never, and don't try to. The man who has given so much of his contribution to this country. The legend, the missile man of India, the former president, a passionate aerospace engineer, the great scientist who worked on missile and launch vehicle technology in India, and also who played a vital technical role in India's nuclear test conducted in 1998. The one and only APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Today I'm going to share some of his best inspirational quotes, which if you apply in your life, then yes, success, happiness is not so far, my friend. Dream, dream and dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Creativity is seeing the same thing but think it differently. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. A big shot is a little shot who keeps on shooting, so keep trying. Know where you are going. The great thing in the world is not knowing so much where we stand, as in what direction we are moving. I reminded myself that the best way to win was not need to win, but the best performances are accomplished when you're relaxed and free of doubt. Beautiful hands are those that do work that is earnest and brave and true, moment by moment, the long day through. A man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of lives longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. Life is very similar to a boxing ring. Defeat is not declared when you fall down, but it is declared when you refuse to rise up. Stay positive, stay healthy, stay happy. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I'll see you next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.